Hey guys, in this video I wanted to talk about some of the benefits of rotationally grazing goats. One of the major benefits is you don't have to worm them. I've had these goats for over 4 years now. I started out worming them, just doing the normal thing, just because I thought I needed to, but I haven't wormed a goat in over 3 years now and haven't had any worm issues. In order for this to work though, you have to keep them moving ahead of the parasite cycle, and you can't let them eat too close to the ground. So make sure that they have enough forage and they're not eating close to the dirt where the parasites are. Another benefit is the goats become extremely tame because you're always out there with them, moving them, and every time they see you they know something good is coming, like a new pasture or a new area they can eat. Also, it's just very good for land clearing, and it's good for the land because you're not overgrazing one area, and goats can turn an area into just pure dirt if you let them. If you leave them too long, they'll just keep eating and eating and eating, and the plants won't have a chance to regrow. And pretty soon you'll just have a dirt patch where you used to have grass or a woods area. Goats can kill a lot of trees too, so you don't want to leave them too long in an area with trees that they really like. I've noticed they really like tulip poplar, honey locust, and there's also kind of a bushy tree. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's this one right here. But goats do very well at weed clearing. I have them here around a creek that normally you would have to weed eat around if we were going to keep it up, but the goats will literally weed eat for you. Another benefit is it cuts down on your feed costs by a whole lot. This winter I rotated them through a grassy area all winter. I moved them every single day, and I had 17 full-grown goats, and they each ate 1 bale of hay the whole winter. So I had very little money in the goats for the winter feed. So rotational grazing really cuts back on your feed expense. I hope you enjoyed this video on the benefits of rotationally grazing goats. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure that you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.